Well, today I'm putting some side steps on the Chevy truck. These Bully cast aluminum side steps. Powder coated black. Supposed to be nice and strong. Put them on the truck. I'm sure I'll have to drill them, so I got a drill. And I already marked 12 inches away from the door edge. And that's where I'm going to start mounting the side step. So let's see what's in the kit. Open the box. Got some instructions. Put them to the side. Looks like we got some hardware, bolts, nuts, some spacers, and of course, a couple side steps. Let's take a look at these guys. Take off the bubble wrap. Yeah, it's a nice side step. Yeah, right around here. Be somewhere around there when I get done. Well, more to follow. Well, with careful inspection, I've realized I'm going to be using Group A. It's got a flat wall. It wasn't angled when I looked under there, so I have to follow this. Group A. Group A, sheet metal screw, metal body, mounting plate, flange to be bent down. Well, we'll see how this goes. More to follow. Next step is I have to drill the holes for here. So I have to put this up like that. Up that underneath, make the marks, and I drilled the holes. Now I'm gonna take the little wood screws like this and a washer and mount this from the inside to the inside of here to the wall. More to follow. The next thing you do, you drill a hole to where this bolt fits through, like this, on this side. Then you put a nut on the other side, like so. And that should do it. There's the nut, here's the washers. That's what you put on. You gotta drill the holes until you get that size done. Just like that, then tighten them up. And that's that. More to follow. This is how the side step should look when it's done. Very top, behind the door area, behind the frame. Here's how it looks. Here's how the side step looks. Here's how it looks the other way. Got the bolts, nuts are on, secure. That's how you do it. Well, now that the side steps are done, we'll take a walk around the truck and check them out. Here's one side step on the passenger side. Looks good. Now we're on the driver's side. There's that nice Bully side step. Look how nice it looks. Allows me to, or anyone, to step in this truck now that it's all lifted from the 6-inch lift, suspension lift leaf springs, and another 6 inches lift from the tires. Basically, seems like it's more than a foot of lift, but yeah, that's kind of how it is. An extra foot up. Seems a lot higher than that, but looks pretty good. Truck's coming along. Other things I'm going to do in the future, I'm going to get rid of these so-called automatic hubs, which basically means your diffs and shafts spin all the time. I'm going to put some mechanical locking hubs or manual locking hubs on there so I can unlock them and basically just spin the wheel and the bearing without spinning my front diff all the time. Only when I need it off the road I can lock them in. Other things I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of that ugly steering wheel and put a nice sport steering wheel on there that looks much better, because I don't like that factory steering wheel. I'm gonna get rid of that ugly bench seat and find a better one, or buckets, we'll see. Little by little, the truck's coming along. I'm probably gonna paint all the undercarriage black. I'm gonna paint this bumper black, the front bumper black, paint that ugly tailgate, make it look better, tape everything off and give everything a good paint job. Drill these ugly things out and fill the holes, because these are kind of ugly. Drill those out, fill the holes. Take that ugly buckled hood off and put on this nice cowl induction hood that I bought on Summit Racing for about 400 bucks. Money well spent. Paint that ugly grill, paint it black, make it look good. Paint the bumper black and all the trim around the headlights, paint it black. This truck's gonna look real good when I get done. Well, I hope you all like this video, and please like, subscribe to my channel. I need all the subscriptions and views I can get. Share with your friends, and mad boosting.